Introducing Harrington Carpet Tiles by Euronics, where excellence meets innovation in the world of premium flooring solutions. Our carpet tiles have undergone rigorous testing, ensuring they meet the highest standards of dimensional stability, color retention, stain resistance, and fire safety. This makes them not only visually appealing, but also a secure and reliable flooring option. With an extensive selection of over 50 unique colors and designs, Harrington carpet tiles effortlessly harmonize with any ambiance, turning your space into a masterpiece. Our innovative VR solutions enables you to envision your office's transformation once thousands of square feet of these exquisite carpet tiles are installed. Harrington also offers state-of-the-art 3D carpet design services, providing you with a comprehensive visualization of your space post-installation. To further instill your confidence in our products, we offer an impressive warranty of up to 12 years, ensuring your peace of mind. Our team comprises of highly skilled and experienced installers located across India, ready to bring your design vision to life. Harrington is ready to be a part of your prestigious projects, providing top-notch recommendations and unparalleled service. With our extensive presence in numerous cities across India, we assure punctual deliveries and seamless post-purchase service. For more details and to explore the world of Harrington carpet tiles, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.